Welcome back, Boxers. It's snack time. I get you a quick snippet or a how-to in under 2 minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly set up VS Code, grab the live server extension, and use both to set up your first HTML document. So let's head over to code.visualstudio.com. Click the download desired version of VS Code. There are stable distributions for Windows, Mac, and Linux. I already have it, as you can see to the left here, so pause the video, install the software, and hit play when you're ready. Now that Visual Studio is installed, go ahead and click on this icon here for extensions. Type in Live Server and then click the Install button. What is Live Server? Live Server is an extension that allows you to view your site build in a local host environment and see what your users are going to see. Another valuable extension that we're going to use today is called Emmet, and it is built into VS Code, and it is a Zen coding for HTML. It is a learned habit, but once you've gotten used to it, it's very easy to spin up quick prototypes of anything. One feature I enabled right away after I started using VS Code is called autosave. If you go to File and check autosave down here, every time you click off of the page, it will save the work that you've got complete up to that point. So now I'm going to head over here to my file structure, and I'm going to create a document. We'll call it index.html, and I'm going to start using Emmet. Again, it's built in. Type out the word doc and hit tab. And as you can see, it initiates my page for me. I can change out the page title. And I can also use Emmet to quickly add in some HTML. Okay, and this is my header. So I'll save that, and then I will right click on it and go to View in Live Server. And now you can see my changes are here. I can add additional changes, subheader, and I don't even have to hit save. All I have to do is click over here and it will automatically add that. So that's all for 3 Box Media Snacks. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and we'll keep pushing snacks your way.